I am Jasmine Good going over 5-3 lab report number 5. So what we have here are two JK flip-flops, and this is a 7476 chip, and both sides have a JK flip-flop on both ends. So in this case, I connected the ground, the VCC going through the breadboard, and then there for this one their ground is on top. That's why I put the ground on top and then connected it onto their chip for the pin for the ground, and the VCC is in the middle as well, so I connected it there. In this case for 5-3, I had to connect the J, the case, the preset, and then the clear as well, all to VCC, so all of them are connected to VCC through the wires on top and bottom, and those are good because I would connect it and then put a next wire so it connects to the VCC. So those are connected that way. And then I had two LEDs, which is pin 15 and then pin 11. And those are the red wires going up to the top for the LEDs. And then also I needed to control it with a logic switch. And with that case, I connected pin 1 and then I connected up top to the logic switch so I could test it. And everything else was connected going through, because 15 was connected to 6, so that was connected so I could connect both JK flip-flops. That's the connection there, but everything else was tied to what it should be, and this is what the result should be. So for each clock pulse, we're trying to test how it should be. So the trainer is on currently, so if I were to do the first one, it was 0, and then it would be 1 0 as the second, and then the third clock pulse would be high, is low high, and then lastly it will both be high. So essentially here they are counting for each JK flip-flop for each clock pulse, but this is how it should look.